Following the devastating fires in Northern California, the City of Mill Valley authorized a series of upgrades to its existing communications system. One of the upgrades is to replace our old siren system that has been in place for decades. It's the one that sounds like the first Saturday of the month. The new communication system, LRAD, Long Range Acoustical Device, is being installed in 5 locations in Mill Valley. LRAD does not just make loud sounds, it delivers voice messages and instructions specific to the actual emergency.
Emergency siren warning system for the City of Mill Valley. Had this been an actual emergency, you would receive additional instructions to evacuate, move to a community refuge area, or specific information about the emergency. This is only a test.
We at the Mill Valley Fire Department feel this is an important new addition to emergency preparedness. These LRADs are located at Vasco Court, Ralston White Retreat, the golf course, City Hall, Cascade Canyon. We will be testing them on the first Saturday of the month at noon. For more information on LRAD, visit www.cityofmillvalley.org.